Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix could not connect to Apple Pay error on iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. If you are facing this issue, iPhone shows could not connect to Apple Pay, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps to fix could not connect to Apple Pay error on iPhone. Number one is check your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable internet network. Tap on settings. Tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure your device is connected to a stable or smooth Wi-Fi connection and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is restart your iOS device and fix your problem. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Tap on the settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on shutdown. When you tap on the shutdown option, simply dragging the slider to right side, wait 10 to 20 seconds. When your iPhone is completely turn off, wait 10 to 20 seconds, iPhone is turned on back and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is update your device software. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is running the latest version of iOS and iPad OS. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If your update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check Apple Pay settings. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find wallet and Apple Pay. Make sure your Apple Card option is turned on, Apple Pay setting is turned on. If simply disable it, simply turn it on and enter your Apple ID password and use Apple Pay and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is re-add your card. Try removing and re-adding your card to Apple Pay and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is check with your bank. Ensure your card is compatible with Apple Pay and there are no issues with your bank servers. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is reset all settings and again add the Apple Pay and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, if none of the steps works on your iPhone and iPad, reach out to Apple Sports for further assistance to fix this issue. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix could not connect to Apple Pay on iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.